Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss more quick Microsoft Teams tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your messages stand out in Microsoft Teams by changing font styles and using rich text formatting. First, log into Microsoft Teams. From the left-hand sidebar, click the chat icon, then open an existing conversation or start a new one. In the message box, click Show Formatting Options. It's the icon with an A and a pencil. This will reveal the formatting toolbar. Here's what you can do. Bold. Click the B icon, then type your text to give it strong emphasis. Italic. Click the icon for a subtle stylish slant. Font size. Adjust to make text bigger or smaller for emphasis. Text color. Click the palette icon to add personality with different colors. Once you've styled your message, press Enter to send. Your text will stand out, making it clearer and more engaging. And that's it. Now you know how to change fonts and style messages in Microsoft Teams to communicate with more impact.